Hello everyone, this is Shannon Bowdy with SLO Happy Homes of Keller Williams. If you're thinking about buying a home, there's one crucial step that often gets overlooked. It is signing a buyer-broker agreement. You ask, what is a buyer-broker agreement? It's simply put a contract that says that I work for you and helping you find the best property, the best deal, the best negotiation, and in turn, you won't be working with any other agents. So it's very important to have a great agent in your corner to help you with all those things, and somebody that you know that has a proven track record to get deals done and sold. So anyway, the SLO Happy Homes team has a full team of qualified, wonderful, experienced agents that are here to help you find the best deal on your home and the best home for you. So if you want a professional in your corner, we would love to have a buyer consultation with you and go over our value proposition to tell you exactly what we can offer you in finding the perfect property that you can call your forever home, your vacation home, your first home, or your retirement home. We're here to help all our buyers find the best property for them. So, one other thing that we have that all our agents have, we have these cute little red envelopes for our exclusive buyer broker agreement people that we work with, the ones that have signed a contract. And with these little envelopes are cute little open house passes. So if you decide that you want to go out looking at open houses, there's paperwork that the agent there will ask you to sign, and you can hand them your special open house pass that says thank you for allowing me to see the home, and if you have any questions, please reach out to my agent, and here's our card. All our contact information is on our cards. Each one of our agents have these. So if you're interested in having an open house pass and you want a qualified great agent to work for you, you call us at SLO Happy Homes and we'll be happy to set you up with a great agent that will be there for you in your side, in your ring, in your corner to help you find a great, fantastic property. Well, thank you for watching. I appreciate you watching our videos, and I hope you have a great weekend ahead. Once again, this is Shannon Bowdy with SLO Happy Homes, and we hope that you have a SLO Happy day.